It's a fact that strong economic growth in most resource-rich African countries has failed to make a significant dent on their poverty levels. Sector experts think that this is because governments and multinational companies fail to reinvest resource revenues into public services or to improve local employment. Thus, accountability for the oil cash remains a mystery.
Let us say government take, because government is part of this project. It's not Talos oil, it's not Afrin's oil, it's not Lundin. They're recovering the other bit. So let's say 65% is the government take. That money per day, which I calculated was $10.4 million a day, will be coming to somewhere, which is 796 billion shillings. Multiply by year. This is for Kenya. Uganda has theirs much more. I was coming to something like 326 billion shillings a year. What we collect as KRA is about 987 billion. This is a third. What is going to happen with that money?
The outlook for Africa's mining sector is bright, as huge tracts of East Africa remain largely untapped. Recent oil, gas and mineral discoveries in the region, especially in Kenya and Uganda, have attracted substantial international interests. However, industry players feel that shortcomings in the way these resources are governed limit the extent to which these countries will be able to benefit from the discoveries.
The resource of an extractive industry itself is a huge value, and that often is not recognized, and it's not recognized because our legislation does not allow us to recognize that. We have huge wealth under the ground, and it is not adequately recognized in our balance sheet because we don't have the right licensing regime. We don't have the right long-term security over the assets. If we solve those, then many more extractive industries, extractive businesses can come into the market and raise long-term capital, whether debt or equity.
Exploration of natural resources is growing in East Africa, but speakers at this 6th East African Business Summit feel that member states should fast-track the laying down of legal structures that will guide extraction in a way that will benefit local communities. Malcolm Sime, NTV, Kigali, Rwanda.